As against, are you a fullback?
I am a Negro, and I'm very
But
proud
I
of it.
remember the feeling that it left.
When I went to college, I was 15 and a half. And we played intramural sports, so we traveled on a college bus to different other colleges within the area. And one night, we were on our way home, and it was maybe 8 o'clock, and so we had not eaten and stopped to eat at what was then a Howard Johnson's. There were buses generally seat 42 people. There were 42 of us on the bus. The only African Americans was the driver and myself. And so when we went into the restaurant, and I can remember this as if it happened just the other day, we sat at tables with our friends, and I was at a table of 8. And the waitress went around to take the order, and when she got to me, she said, "I'm sorry, I cannot serve you. You can go and eat in the kitchen." Well, the kitchen would have been the window sort of just diagonally across, and standing at that door in the window were the people who were kitchen help peering out at me. Well, all I wanted was a hamburger, and I didn't know anybody in the kitchen, so why did I need to go eat with people in the kitchen that I didn't know? And I said, that's not what I choose to do. So then my friend said, well, if you don't serve Bernice, then we won't eat. We were hungry. And the response, I went home and I called my parents, and I was very tearful, and I said, I want to come home, because here I was responsible for 41 other students not eating. And we were hungry. And some of the students had started to eat, but then stopped, and we all got up and got back on the bus. And I stayed at that college, though, because my parents insisted that I try that out. But throughout the rest of my years there, whenever we'd go into Kansas City for lunch, the school always had to call ahead to see if the restaurant would accept African Americans, or to say, we're a church-related college and we're sending our students in. And those were the kinds of experiences that we had, not once a month or every 5 years, but every day of our lives.